Hi folks, welcome back to part 2 of our Munnar diaries. So it is day 2 and we decided to explore some local places. So we decided to visit the Eravikulam National Park. Munnar town was just around 20 kilometers from the place where we stayed. Actually we stayed in a place called Suryanelli. Excellent place. So we started in the morning and we had around 1 hour drive for Eravikulam National Park. The road was really excellent there. It was a hill station, but still the road was really excellent, and we had a wonderful drive up to the Eravikulam National Park, and from there we took a bus ride to the park. Here I have shared some of the footages of the bus ride.
largest surviving population of milkweed plant, which is categorized as endangered by IUCN. Town is endemic to Western Ghats and adorned as keystone species of the national park. The 9,700-hectare park area is comprised of the unique Shola grassland system, which is seen only in this part of Western Ghats. The Sholas and grasslands serve as the origin of many streams and are a major source of water recharge. During the colonial days, the high-range game wardens of High-Range Game Conservation Association Munnar and Muduwan tribe game watchers protected the area. Later, the park area was taken over by Government of Kerala, invoking Kannandevan Hills Produce, Resumption Plans Act 1971, and subsequently
So after reaching there, we had a 1.5 kilometer trek, and then we came back and returned by bus to our destination. We had lunch after that, and then we roamed in and around Munnar town to see some more places. And then when we were returning home, it was night, and I had one of the wonderful drives in my life. Here is the footage for you. our day 2 at Munnar ended. Dark roads and foggy condition. What more can I ask for? So that's it for today, guys. See you all in another video. Goodbye.